Keep going that way, Aurora.
They're over here.
Keep going that way.
Mom, you went that way. Sean went this way.
Okay.
Oh, I found more.
Advise Kevin has left IRP. May look for him in the area.
I went past one.
I don't know. Let's look around.
1016 at 705 Hall Street, apartment 1 or apartment A, 2 females physical.
Who's over there?
All right, you guys might want to check the other side of the road, maybe?
Check the road.
No.
Oh, I see some over here. Or I do. Laura, you get this rainbow one.
Both those calls are going to be right in the same location. We'll take care of both of those.
Another rainbow one.
The 16 and the NIP. 10462 is already on scene.
Oh, I see one out there.
I think we got all the eggs.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Walk that way.
I get the stitches. Hide some in the gravel.
No.
I see one. Mom, that's cracked.
It's okay. We're going to check them over the hill here in a minute.
Where are we
Now
going
check
now?
over there behind. No, put it in there. Easy.
Now come over here, Aurora. Come over here and check behind Mommy. See if there's any over here in the grass along the side of the road.
Stick down.
Side of the driveway.
There you go.
Let me come over here.
Do you see any over here on the side?
Leave that to me. You don't have to go around the cable. You go over here and look.
Look over that way.
Two over there. I'll get them.
1614.
I see two over here. John, you're hiding them in the different spots.
Uh-huh.
Now let's go look over here.
Let's go over
I don't think Daddy went over there, baby. It's too wet over there.
there.